Are you prepared to discover the keys to a prosperous financial career? Have you ever pondered what it takes to stand out from the crowd and leave your imprint in this fast-paced industry? Come along on a voyage of discovery as we explore the tactics, perceptions, and insider knowledge that prosperous financial professionals vouch for. What does it really mean to establish a successful and happy career in finance? How can you successfully negotiate the financial world's complexities? As we delve into the realm of finance and discover the secrets to professional success, get ready to learn the answers to these and other pressing issues. Many employment prospects exist in the financial industry contingent on your education, experience, skill set, and interests. You may take specific steps to make an impression on a hiring manager and assist you land a job, even if it can be a competitive sector. You can begin looking for and applying for these roles as soon as you've decided which financial positions are best for you. What is involved in a career in finance? Depending on the position, there are different prerequisites for beginning a career in finance. A 4-year degree is typically required for employment in finance, with doctoral degrees being necessary for certain positions. A thorough understanding of corporate management, mathematics, statistics, economics, and accounting principles is also necessary for many finance-related jobs. In order to obtain work experience, those who want to work in finance frequently earn undergraduate degrees, finish training programs and certifications, and accept internships and entry-level jobs. The financial sector is growing to include higher-paying positions as well, and a lot of companies offer the resources and training required for career progression. What is required for a career in finance? Education, professional qualifications, experience, and a certain set of abilities, such as industry knowledge and soft skills, may be necessary for a job in finance. Take into consideration the following requirements for a job in finance. Credentials. Professional credentials are typically required for financial employment. These qualifications may include licenses, college degrees, and professional certificates, depending on the kind of position. To pursue jobs in the accounting industry, such as tax or corporate accounting positions, you decide to obtain an accounting degree. Experience. In addition, when hiring for available roles, employers could consider a specific level of professional expertise. For instance, mid-level employees with several years of experience in the industry are frequently financial analysts, consultants, and advisors. On the other hand, a job in bookkeeping can need less expertise. Skills. Another necessary prerequisite for a career in this industry is financial literacy. Employers frequently search for talents that are unique to the position. A financial analyst, for example, could need more sophisticated data analysis abilities than a bookkeeper, who mostly completes and keeps track of accounting computations for ongoing corporate activities. Depending on the profession you are interested in pursuing, the abilities you learn for your career may change. How to begin a financial profession? Success in the workplace requires hard effort and perseverance. To begin a career in the financial industry, follow these steps. Get a degree in bachelor's. Although a degree isn't strictly required to work in finance, having more education can make you stand out to hiring managers and keep you competitive for a given position. You may find it more advantageous to obtain your degree in finance rather than business or another similar discipline, particularly if the position you want is more specialized. You may learn important facts and financial concepts during your schooling that will help you in your future employment. Look into internships. With an internship, you can get additional knowledge about the financial sector while working for a company that may offer you a window into future career opportunities. Though each internship can broaden your knowledge and assist you in focusing on your interests and intended career path, you should think about doing multiple internships, each in a distinct area of the financial business. Building your professional network to include the people you work with is another advantage of internships. These same coworkers may assist you in getting hired when you apply for jobs. During job interviews, you may also discuss your internship experience with the hiring manager. You can also update your resume to reflect the projects and successes from your internship. Request recommendations. Ask to utilize a contact of yours as a referral if they are employed by the company you are applying to. If someone can confirm that you meet the requirements for the job, many hiring managers will review your resume and give you greater consideration. To further demonstrate your suitability for the position you're interested in, think about asking for a recommendation from a past employer, manager, or associate. Enroll in pertinent courses. The type of career you're most interested in pursuing might be supported by the college or continuing education courses you select. For instance, you could choose to concentrate on business, accounting, economics, or ethics classes rather than psychological ones in order to gain knowledge and gain exposure to ideas that will strengthen your resume. In order to get ready for a career in the financial sector, you can also enroll in licensed courses covering a range of financial issues. Regulatory bodies, as opposed to colleges and universities, usually offer these kinds of courses. Assemble a mentoring pair. Having a mentor can play a significant role in your financial career launch. The mentor's job is to assist you advance in your work by giving you the tools you need for success and fostering a sense of self-assurance in your abilities. Your mentor can assist you in identifying your objectives and creating a strategy to reach them. If you're looking for a mentor, ask your internship manager or supervisor, a professor at your college, or another successful finance professional you know. Go to job fairs. Attending career fairs might potentially result in a job offer in the banking industry. You can speak with representatives from companies about their businesses and the chances they provide to applicants who meet their standards at a career fair. These people occasionally accept resumes, and some even hold informal interviews while the event is going on. Take a job at the entry level. Take into consideration beginning in an entry-level role if you wish to work in finance. You might be able to apply for the job you're most interested in and get promoted even if the post isn't explicitly related to finance. For instance, you might look into working as an office assistant for your neighborhood credit union or as a generalist in human resources for a large financial company. Is a degree necessary to begin a career in finance? In entry-level positions that don't require a degree such as bank clerk, assistant, or receptionist, it is feasible to work in finance without the accompanying degree. Beyond this, the majority of professions demand at least an undergraduate or associate degree, but hiring managers additionally consider your skill set, experience, and talents. If you can demonstrate that you have the skills a business is looking for in a new worker, you might be able to hold a degree in any industry and still get hired in the field. Hiring managers frequently request particular degrees or certificates for consideration in higher-level roles. Generally speaking, hiring managers want to know that you possess the hard and soft talents and competencies needed to thrive in the role. Make sure your resume highlights your qualifications for the position. You can discuss your soft talents and technical skills in relation to the job you're applying for. Highlight your advantages. It's crucial to highlight your advantages while applying for available jobs. Include accomplishments in your application that demonstrate to potential employers how your abilities and expertise have aided in previous successes. To demonstrate your capacity for critical thought and the use of accounting formulae and statistics, you may, for instance, explain how you overcame a technical difficulty when creating financial statements. Make use of your contacts. Consider former coworkers if you've had experience working in areas other than finance prior to entering the finance industry. After that, you can check to see if any of them can assist you in getting a job. It could be worthwhile to find out if your lecturers have any links to jobs in the sector if you recently graduated. Examine the businesses. You can conduct research to find out more details about each business you're thinking about, such as the opinions of both current and former employees about the company and any potential career progression. On the company website, you can find out more about their hiring procedures on the employment page. You can use this knowledge to help you apply for and be hired for the job of your dreams. A bank employee. By handling clerical tasks, a bank clerk helps the bank or credit union where they work as well as the clients of the financial organization. In addition to processing deposits and withdrawals, they also generate bank statements, update account information, and recommend various financial products. For this position, many companies would not need a 4-year degree, but some might want at least an associate's degree, a professional certification, or evidence of relevant experience. A clerk for accounts payable. $48,718 annually is the average pay nationwide. Creating invoices and handling incoming payment processing are within the purview of an accounts payable clerk. They prepare bank deposits, reconcile the company's accounts, and produce financial reports for higher management and interested parties. Typically, this position requires an associate's degree. An analyst of budgets. The average annual wage nationwide is $71,656. The role of a budget analyst is to assist businesses in developing and following their budgets. They talk with managers about proposed budgets, figure out how an organization can stick to a budget, inform managers of money that are available, and keep an eye on spending. In order to project how much money the business would require in the future, budget analysts also take into account the organization's financial history and their own data. The CFO, or Chief Financial Officer, $144,563 annually is the average pay nationwide. Principal responsibilities. A company's financial operations are overseen by a Chief Financial Officer. They predict financial demands, draft and approve budgets, negotiate supplier and vendor agreements, keep an eye on the company's debits and credits, and decide what investments to undertake. CFOs also create reports that highlight the financial stability of an organization. Subscribe now to gain exclusive access to expert insights, insider tips, and proven strategies for building a thriving career in finance.